Puso Tejane was supposed to join Kaizer Chiefs, not Chicago Fire. Oh, I know bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs, ngicela ningamind iskipper sami okwamanje asikhulumeni nje ezamafeni webhola. When are you guys ever going to sign players? When are you ever going to take out money and sign actual players? Imagine uPuso Tejane nomdu Shabalala. Puso Tejane no Mfundo Vilakazi no Velepai. Yes. He attack Chiefs. Chiefs would have been unstoppable. Uhambile manje uya kuChicago Fire. No sign abantu. Uhambile uya kuChicago Fire. Uhambile uya kuChicago Fire. Kaizer Chiefs needs to improve. Whoever is responsible for the signing and scouting of players must pull up their socks. We need big players for Kaizer Chiefs so that we can have a strong Kaizer Chiefs. Yazi makushisi Chiefs, kushisi Pirates, PSL vele mnandi. Manje season in season out njalo dominate Sundowns. Man, Puso Tejane would have been a good fit for Kaizer Chiefs. Sacela bafethu, just pull up your socks. Lebogang Phiri nayo you missed out uhambile uye kuSkhukhune United. Like good players that Kaizer Chiefs need. The kind of players that would change the situation lapha eNaturena. But ezoqala isizini soon sizobona ukuthi nizodlala kanjani. Makuso amanye ama-team anzima azonithela induku serious.
Omni Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.